Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever stared at a locked PDF, needing to sign it feeling stuck? It's a common challenge, but here's good news. You absolutely can sign a locked PDF, even if it initially seems impossible. Many people encounter this digital hurdle, wondering if there's a way through. We're here to show you simple digital workarounds that make signing those protected files surprisingly easy, letting you move forward without the headache. So, why do PDFs get locked in the first place? It's usually for a good reason, primarily security, and to maintain the document's original integrity. Creators often apply these protections specifically to prevent any unauthorized alterations once the file has been distributed. This crucial security measure ensures that the document's authenticity and legal validity remain completely intact, protecting all parties involved in its exchange. When faced with a locked PDF, a dedicated PDF editor is your most effective tool. Software like Adobe Acrobat or Foxit Reader are specifically designed for these situations. Simply open your locked document within one of these applications. Look for the Fill and Sign feature. It's designed to guide you. Often, it will either prompt you to bypass the lock or allow you to apply your signature directly, streamlining the process significantly. If a direct edit doesn't work, don't worry, there's another clever workaround: print to PDF. This method essentially creates an unlocked, editable copy of your document. Just open the PDF, go to Print, and select a virtual printer option like Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF. Additionally, for less restrictive security, certain specialized online signing services can sometimes help process and digitally sign your document effectively, giving you more options. Before you sign any locked document, it's always important to consider a few key things. Always verify the document's origin and understand the sender's intent to ensure its complete legitimacy and your own safety. A properly digitally signed PDF maintains its integrity and security even after you apply your signature. This careful approach ensures your signature holds legal weight, providing peace of mind and validating the document's authenticity moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.